In 2016, Warren Buffett invested $36 billion into Apple stock, which, 4 years later today, has ballooned to approximately $100 billion in value. If you would have invested just $1,000 in Apple stock when it debuted, it would now be worth $1,159,000 today. Looking at the latest stock information, what can be clearly understood is that Apple stock has been consistently outperforming the broader stock market since the coronavirus crash. In the coming weeks, Apple is gearing up for the release of a completely new generation of iPhones with the 12 series, rumored to be the first smartphones utilizing a new 5G infrastructure. Looking at the previous launches, Apple has experienced rallies that have on average demonstrated impressive returns in the 60-day period following new launches. With the latest split, owning shares of Apple is more affordable than ever in recent years, and we want to provide everything you need to take advantage of upcoming events that are sure to bring volatility to capture the highest positions. Every day, hundreds of thousands of traders use Libertex to capitalize on news developments and trade stocks like Apple. Through this channel, we bring together the top analysts, traders, and researchers to equip you with the most powerful trading information to strengthen your positions. Join over 2 million traders who use Libertex to generate instant returns, trade over 200 different instruments including Forex, crypto, and commodities like oil, and strap in for the next rally. Subscribe to our channel and never miss a beat on the latest market movements to leverage and scale your income passively by trading trends of Apple and thousands of other stocks. Click below and get started today.